Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is high-grade Zaku I Char costume from Bandai, and on today's video I'm going to build this. This is Zaku I from the series Gundam the Origin. As expected, this kit had a lot of surface details that are rarely seen from the other lines. As usual, I cut out each part from its sprues and cleaned them using files and sanding blocks. Once each parts were cleaned, they were put together, following the instructions, and within 2 hours I completed the out-of-box build. Here's what this kit looks like built straight out of the box without any stickers. Due to excessive amount of surface detail, the kit looks great even without painting, and it poses well for a bulky looking kit. Before painting, I wash all parts using warm soapy water. For painting, I use the Mecha Color line from Spash paint. The brand carries Char's red and Char's pink, which is different from what is on the box art, but the color is similar to what is on the master grade Char's Zaku II. As usual, I painted the kit by applying a darker color first and then applying a lighter color to get the desired shading. Once all painting was done, the paint job was sealed using a varnish.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
After the paint has been cured, I'll apply the included stickers next. After making a mess with stickers, because stickers don't like curved surfaces, I did a panel lining. The panel lining was done using Tamiya panel liner. I applied the panel liner with included brush and cleaned the excessive liner with animal thinner in paper towel or cotton swab. For weathering, I start with chipping effect using acrylic paint. Using the texture of a sponge, I applied light random texture effect on the parts, creating the chipping effect. Next, I used the oil paint to apply streaks and stains. These effects were further emphasized with some Tamiya Weathering Master. And here's what the finished kit looks like. The kit has a lot of small details which made overall look of this mobile suit great. It had good part separation, so painting was easy. Not to mention it poses well even after painting. The lack of accessories is bothersome, but it didn't affect the fun of building this gunpla. Easy to build, easy to paint, good proportions with a good articulation. I recommend this kit. Thank you for watching this video. I'll put a link down below to my blog where you can find more pictures. Please hit the like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more build videos.